Central Processing Unit CPU. The Central Processing Unit CPU is the brain of the computer. It is a part of a computer which interprets and executes instruction. The CPU chip is usually in the shape of a square or rectangle and has one notched corner to help place the chip into the motherboard properly. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also known as microprocessor or processor. Expansion slots, fan, connectors, SMPS, power supply and fan, hard disk, DVD drive, floppy drive, RAM, the task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical operations is called processing. The CPU takes data and instructions from the storage unit and makes all sorts of calculations based on the instructions given and the type of data is provided. It is then sent back to the storage unit. It processes the instructions that it collects by decoding the code in programs. The main functions of the CPU are to fetch, decode, execute, and write back. Functional block of CPU. The two components in CPU are Arithmetic and Logic Unit ALU, Control Unit CU. Arithmetic and Logic Unit ALU. The ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical operations compare numbers, letters, and special characters. The ALU is a fundamental building block of the central processing unit of a computer. Control Unit CU. A control unit CU handles all processor control signals. It directs all input and output flow, fetches code for instructions from microprograms, and directs other units and models by providing control and timing signals. Control unit is designed in two ways: hardwired control, microprogram control. Hardwired control. The design is based on a fixed architecture. The CU is made up of flip-flops, logic gates, digital circuits, and encoder and decoder circuits that are wired in a specific and fixed way. Microprogram control. Microprograms are stored in a special control memory and are based on flowcharts. They are replaceable and ideal because of their simplicity.